So the most important tool that you need right now is the OpenAI, that's the ChatGPT, and it is good for you to make your searches and comparison and other stuff. Okay, and then also the other one that you need is the Google Scholar. The Google Scholar help you to compare your thesis, that's your literature review, with the other works which has been done already. And of course you also need the paraphrasing tool, that's the Quibots. Okay, that's help you to change your grammars and other stuff. And the other one is the Office Word. Of course, you cannot do a project without Office Word, so it is necessary you get those tools down. Then you hit the start button. So after you log into the OpenAI, you head straight up to Google Scholar. Okay, so you also log in the Google Scholar. That's what you use to check your other stuff, like the literature review, the references and other stuff. Okay, then from there you make sure that your ChatGPT is set up well, nice and confirmed, and as you can see it's loading. So yeah, I have a lot of project work, as you can see from this side. Okay, so you only need to set up a new chat. Okay, yeah, but it's really important that you set up the paraphrasing sites too. So you head on to Google or anywhere of the browser and search the quillbot.com. That will give you the paraphrasing tool. Okay, this is important because the English used by the AI is mostly the same thing, so you need the paraphrasing tool to change the grammar, the phrases and other stuff. Okay, so now everything is set up. You just have to come and then start with your project topic. And if you don't have any topic in mind, if you don't have any other ideas that you have, it is very important that you ask the AI. So it relates to your field of studies. So wherever you are, whichever you are studying from, that's your department or the course that you are doing. So if you're a marketing student, you make sure that you make your search very relevant to the marketing aspect. And if you're also building a system, you make sure that you also pick a topic that it's important and valuable and relevant to academia, which will help the other lives out there. So whatever you do here, although you are using the AI bar, make sure you get the best out of the AI so that you can also have impact in the community. Okay, so that is just all by then. That's the basic that you need to start with the searching. All right, it's very important that you be very precise, okay, when asking the questions in the ChatGPT. Don't worry, I have that one in handle, so I will show you whatever you need to do. Okay, that you also have to go by it, and it's cool. So without wasting much time, if you want to, with the one I'm doing, I'm going to make or do a project on the marketing aspects. Okay, so whichever the marketing topic that you pick, make sure that you pick a relevant topic that will suit it. So as the AI, that's you need a project topic in the marketing department, and it will give you a whole lot of topics. Mostly it gives you a broader one. Most of them have been researched already, but when you pick it and then you look into details, you will see that there are some which needs to be researched and which are lacking some basic ingredient of them. So we have a digital marketing strategy for a new product. This one is very good. You can pick this topic and make sure that you narrow it to a place where, or to a topic that will suit you, that will contribute to academia. Okay, we also have the other one, there's a marketing research and consumer behavior analysis. It is there. So this one you can fit this one with the other one, and then you research on them. Okay, so you can also pick two of these topics and combine them, okay, and get your topic. So you analyze this one, you analyze this one, then you take the best out of the two, set up your objectives, and on the go you are good to go. So whichever way you go, whichever way you pass, it is very good that this one becomes a very good use of it. Okay, so for the sake of these studies, I'll use the first one, and then you copy, you go to Google Scholar, then you paste it there. Okay, search it. You can add a year to it, and it will give you a relevant or something close to this year. Okay, so you search it, and then you can see a whole lot of projects similar to the topic that, or the one that you want to search on. Okay, so you can see from the top, business strategy and management of digital marketing. It is very similar to the project topic that we choose, just that this one have no new product attached to it, which will make it very relevant to the study. Or so you copy that one too, and then you come to Google or anywhere you want to use. I like to use the Bing search. Then you just search the finding on, then you paste the project topic from there. Okay, follow it too. It is very critical here. So this one will give you the findings. You see the year that the book is published. It is the same year that you find if you come to the referencing. Okay, so that shows that the findings on the search is correct. So you pick this one, read it and analyze it very carefully. Okay, so after you analyze them, then you know what you will do. You go back to the Google Scholar and pick another topic too. Okay, then you also find the findings on that particular topic. This one is just showing you how your things are going to be, like your literature review will be if you pick that topic. Okay. So you see we have the second one too. So after you are now setting, you pick your project topic, and then you also add a case study area to it. So if you are in Ghana, Nigeria, Uganda, India, America, wherever you are, okay, just pick a particular area or some niche, then you focus it as your case study. So in my case, I'll be doing like the case study for the SME businesses in Ghana here, because most of them, they don't really use the digital aspects when they are going to launch a product or when they are doing their stuff. So this research is going to enable them, or is going to allow them make up more profit and increase the awareness of the product. Okay, so that's the topic that I will choose. Digital marketing strategy for a new product, a case study of SME businesses in Ghana. That's cool. No, it's pretty cool, right? Yeah. So this is what you are going to work on. Okay, so what you have to do is very simple. You come back to the Charts GPT, and then you copy the topic, you paste it on, you paste it there, then you can just start your work. Okay, so what you do is that you write you write the overview of, then you put the project topic there. Okay, so overview of the project topic colon digital marketing strategy for a new product, then you hit enter. This is going to give you the overview, what you need to do about it, the areas you need to search, your tools, everything. And this works like magic. Just imagine, this will save you a whole lot of time. Okay, so you now sit down, read it carefully. This one you can pick your other objective from inside. Okay, so you can pick your main objective, which is a topic, or which is the project topic, and then the specific objectives, so you can pick them from here. So this is what is going to give you the overview to work with, right? And just by a simple click, you are good to go. It's cool. Using the AI in this recent generation is increasing, so you just do, and there you go. So anytime you are doing, to make sure that whatever you pick, you take the reference, you copy the references. The style that we use here is APA style, so I'll copy it, go and paste it somewhere safe, so that after everything I can have all my references ready, for the project. Okay, so basically this is how you go by it for the first start, or to get the overview of everything. And please don't just copy this one and go and paste it there. You need to read them, pick some points out of it, take the bad ones of it, and then you can now filter it, use the good ones, and there you go. Okay. Make sure you make very good use of the Google Scholar, because it is going to help you a lot. It will help you a lot. So you have to use this one as the project topic. This is what you type. Just type exact thing there. You type the exact thing there, and then whatever you want to add, you just go on, then you add them. Okay, so then you put the project topic there, digital marketing strategy for a new product, as a project topic. Construct project proposal. So you sit down, and then you see the AI will do it work for you. It will give you the proposal, whatever you need to include in the proposal, whichever area it is going to write for you. The only thing that you need to do is to sit down, read them, analyze them, know where you put them to, know where you fix each and every word to, so that it will become a professional work. Okay. This will give you everything that you need, that from scratch to the end. Okay. So now that you have done this, okay, you pick the format that you will use for your project work. So in my case, I'm in Ghana, and I'll use the Valley View standard. Okay, because of course that's where I'm schooling. So come down and pick the Valley View standard. Okay, so this is what we'll be basing on. Those ones. This is the introduction, or in the other sense, the research proposal. These are chapter 2, chapter 3, 4, 5, and 6. So let's start with everything. First, you need the introduction, don't worry your head, just come. Then just type introduction. In maybe you can put it like in 6 or 5 paragraphs. With then APA, okay, with APA in test, referencing, send it. So you sit down and let ChatGPT do the magic for you. That's great. So these are your reference for only the introduction. Of course, we needed them in the introduction as well. So this started by it's a nice way. The introduction is nice. The first paragraph, the second paragraph, third, fourth. Make sure you read thoroughly. Okay, read it thoroughly and make the necessary amendment, correction. Okay, so you copy this, copy it, then you come to the paraphrasing site, paste it, and then you paraphrase. So this is the first paragraph of this topic. Okay, so you open your Word. That's yeah, Word. I'm using Office 365 and I open a new document. Just paste it here like this. And then you highlight it. Pick the format that you are allowed to do the project working. In my case, we have been directed which format we should use. So you can come down and see. So we should use Courier New, font size 12, paragraph line spacing, double line spacing, then the margin 1 inch, text alignment, justify. It is clear. So you come here, you justify it, text size is 12. Then this one you pick your Courier New. Then you come to the double line spacing, that's 2.0. That is for the first paragraph. So you hit enter here. That will give us the next paragraph.